we have Cynful sausage and vegetables. So I pre-cut everything and just dumped it into a bowl, kept it in the fridge while I was waiting for getting close to dinner time. Same with the sausage. You can do that. Makes it a whole lot easier when you're trying to get dinner ready and everything's going on. We're going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil to this. We're going to use the olive oil as the glue that holds all that seasoning onto the vegetables and the sausage. We're going to put about a tablespoon of the Cynful Italian seasoning on top. Just kind of sprinkle it around. And get your hands in it. Toss that really good. Get all of those vegetables and sausage coated in that seasoning. And then pour it into your baking dish. Spread it around so that it's even all over the dish. And then we're going to take our butter and we're going to cut it into little pieces and we're going to put it on top and kind of work it into the vegetables a little bit. But spread it around the whole dish because you want the whole dish covered in the butter. Cover it with foil and we're going to bake this about 45 minutes or so until the squash is to your desired consistency. I like mine still a little fork tender, so it reminds me a little bit of potatoes actually. And that's all there is to it. It's done. Really simple dish. Great for taking to an office potluck for your Thanksgiving or Christmas parties. Very, very simple and really, really good and low carb, so you can have some good stuff too. There's a link to a printable recipe in the video description. But here's your recipe anyway. I'd like to thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. Please like and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.